The Shamballa is the capital of the biggest subterranean world. This place within the earth has a central sun which is 600 miles in diameter. These cities are built along the inside wall of the inner crust that lines the interior of the earth. The entry points to enter the inner earth are the North Pole, where there is an opening of 1,300 miles, and the South Pole, with an opening of 950 miles. This can actually be seen by aircraft. That's why commercial aircrafts are not allowed to fly over these areas. A guy named Admiral Byrd reported these openings in 1920s until his information was concealed by the government. At the very center of the Earth, there is a globe of energy left over from the creation of this planet that acts within the inner sun. It is the light from this object suspended by gravity that causes the light of Aurora Borealis. The inner city is actually called Aghaarta, which means through the hole. The Shamballa is the holy place where the earthly world links with the higher states of consciousness. There are also crafts that comes from the center of the Earth. The Shamballa is a galactic United Nations. It has the largest library and medical library on this side of the galaxy. It also has climate control. There have been many visitations to the inner city, one of them by the name of Richard Shaver. In an article titled, UFOs, The Shaver Mystery and the Hollow Earth, he explained that he encountered ancient people and how the caverns are honeycombed. These caverns extend incredible distances into the earth, and that they're still inhabitants of a race of people who left Earth 12,000 years ago. He was told that when the Earth was young, the Earth was visited by a race of beings who came from another solar system called the Rizkians. They came from planet Rizk in the 19th galaxy. There were many other beings within the inner city. There was a group called the Daros, which is the combination of detrimental and robots. They are born by hatching eggs and stand from 4 to 6 feet. These beings have 2 stomachs and they have the same digestive system as a cow. Many people who lives today as obese are descendants of these beings. Another group were the Taros. The Taros, which is short for integrative and constructive, are a subsurfaced race that usually keep the Daros in check. They came from the planet Joman in the star constellation Arcturus. They have 48 chromosomes. Their chromosome structure is so different from humans that when you mix with certain humans, it causes a defect of 47 chromosomes, which is today called Down syndrome. The Duwanas were another group beings within the inner earth. They are from the Canis Major constellation and look like porcupines and suffer from a disorder called hirsutism. They also produce the disorder dwarfism. The Dunakiels were another group of beings, but they were known as the controllers of the inner earth. They were from 8th planet Rizk of the 19th galaxy called Ilene. They are considered hybrids of the Rizkians. They have an abundance of melanin in their skin and T-Hay are the descendants of us. These beings went to the surface of the earth and mixed with surface beings. This mixture bred the tribes known as Dongoloa of Northeast Africa.